if you go deeper, the deeper the person goes, the conscious mind detaches more and more. Because in the beginning, the conscious mind is there saying, you're making this up, this is silly, you know, you read it in a book, you saw it in a movie, yak, yak, yak. Well, if you can cut out the conscious mind and go direct to this other part, look at what you can get. You'll have any of the conscious mind interference. But the deepest possible level is the somnambulistic level. Now, twice a day, all of you go through that level. You must. You go through that level when you're going to sleep at night and when you're waking up in the morning. You pass through the somnambulistic level. The only thing I do is keep the person there at that level so we can get to the answers and get the results. The odds are, according to the hypnosis experts,